In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix matchmaking failed VAC wasn't able to verify your game session. So if you decided to play an online multiplayer match and you receive this kind of error, here's what you need to do to fix this issue. So first, you need to minimize the game and open your Steam app. And from here, you need to click on stop to close the game. Just tap on confirm to exit the game. And then from your library, select the game that you're playing, right click the Counter-Strike 2, and then select properties. So go to installed files and click verify the integrity of game files. So here, Steam client will start verifying the files for integrity for the particular game. And once done, it says here that all files successfully validated. So it means that you can now play your Counter-Strike 2 game again. And when you try to play online multiplayer for our Valve game, we should not get the Valve anti-cheat matchmaking error anymore. And that's it, guys. I hope you find this video helpful, and if you do, please don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching.